Good morning, beta. Good morning, all of you. How are you? How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home, safe at your home. Please let's start now. Now you have maths, you all know. I hope you all are ready for maths. Chapter number 3 and chapter number 4, both the chapter is completed. Both the chapters are completed. Now today we want to start a new chapter, chapter number 5. So all of you please take out your math magic book and keep your notebook also with you. Okay, very good. Roja Sheikh, fine. Bebajyoti. Okay, math magic book. All of you please take out your math magic book and open page number 30. Open page number 30. Patterns. The chapter name is patterns. Okay. Previous class also we have learned. Previous class also in class 1 we learned how to make patterns. Okay. We learned that girl, boy, it is make a pattern. I have shown it in the class to you also. I have already shown. And now there is a 2 boy, 1 girl, 2 boy, 1 girl. This is a pattern. 2 girl, 1 boy, 2 girl, 1 boy is a pattern. 2 boy, 2 girl, 1 boy, 2 boy, 1 girl. This is also a pattern. Okay. So one standing, one sitting. One girl is standing, one girl is sitting. One girl is standing, one sitting, standing, sitting, standing, sitting. This is also a pattern. So different we can make a pattern, number patterns, we can make a objects, leaf, arrow, whatever, shapes pattern, anything. Okay. Now in your book all of you, what happened? Who can't understand? Riddhi, do you have any problem? Okay, let's start. Open, Arpon, any problem? Okay, let's start now. Chapter number 5. Indakshi, I am fine, beta. Beanie and Ginny, please open page 30 and follow me. Beanie and Ginny were going home. Beanie and Ginny, two sisters and going home. On the way, they saw some people making the pavement. And the tiles used were of different colors and designs. This is what they saw. This type of pattern they saw when they are going to home. And now on reaching home, they saw their mother's sari hanging on a rope. When they reached home, they saw the mother's sari was hanging on a rope, and there it also had a nice design with different colors. There also a nice design in different. These are the leaves. The leaves are making a pattern here. Look, the design is it also had a nice design with the different colors. Okay. Now in the evening, turn over the next page, page number 31. Page number 31, turn over. In the evening, what happened? In the evening, they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary walls. What they saw? They saw iron grills on the boundary wall. We can see in the window, boundary wall, in the balcony, there are we can see the different type of grills, different type of and different design and the different patterns. Okay, and looking at the grills beneath shade, looking at the grills beneath shade, this some shape grills pattern in our windows at home. In the same grill, this is the grill is same, but in their home, windows grill is a pattern or the different. Look, the grill design is same, but the pattern is different. Here the grill is like if it is a standing and then it is a sleeping. It is a horizontally arranged, it is a vertically arranged grill. Okay. We see many such patterns around us. We can see many such patterns around us on tiles, clothes and jewelries. Okay. And Volu, who is Volu? Volu is a rat. Volu has eaten a part of the shawl of Beanie's mother. What happened? Beanie's mother was a shawl and who eaten? Beanie is a rat. Beanie eaten a part of the shawl. Look, this is a shawl, one part, this corner. The four corner, one corner, Volu eaten. Okay. And look at the picture and help Beanie in matching which piece of the same pattern. There the four patterns are given over here. Four patterns. What happened? Students, are you chatting with your friend? Follow me. Now, look this picture over here. There is a four patterns are given. Okay. And this 1, 2, this is a one pattern, okay, and this is the another pattern. How many are there? 4 patterns. One, 2, and the next pattern, please follow the next pattern. Can you tell me which, suppose this is the number 1, 2, 3 and another one is 4. Then tell me which pattern is same pattern of this shawl. This pattern and now this is, can you tell me? Yes, Rithojit, 4th. Understand why, Oshnik? These are the patterns. This is the Beanie's mother's shawl and Volu eaten some part. Please help Beanie. Please help Beanie matching which piece of the same pattern. Which piece? Please follow the shawl's pattern. This is a diamond, okay. 4 small diamond make one patterns, okay. Let's see. This is this pattern. Please all of you take fourth one. This one is same. This is the pieces of, this is the piece of shawl, not others. These all are different patterns. This pattern will match with the shawl. This pattern will match with the shawl. So all of you please take 4th. Please all of you take 4th. Okay. Okay, Indakshi, very good. Rihangshi, very good. Nihan, Oshmi, Riddhi, very good. Very good all of you. Now turn over the next page. Turn over the next page. Page number 32. Page number 32. Mother wants to make a pattern on a gate using these. Mother wants to make a pattern on gate using this. Using this is the pattern, okay. This is the pattern. This is the pattern, okay. Using this pattern, want to make a grill. Who? Madhav. Here, how many patterns are given over here? I will not draw all this pattern, okay. I will just numbering 1, here 2, here is 3, then 4 and then 5. Here is a 5 patterns are given using this grill, okay. But can you guess which of these cannot be formed with this? But the pattern, this using this you have to make the pattern. This is the okay. But in them which we cannot form using this. Look, here is a shame. Here also we can make this type of pattern. Using this we can make also. Using this we can make this pattern also. But we cannot make this pattern. So can you guess which of these cannot be formed? Cannot be formed with this. This is also 4th. This one please tick. We cannot form this pattern. Look, using this we cannot make this pattern. Using this we cannot make this pattern. But the other 4 patterns we can make using this. Other 4 patterns we can make using this. Okay. Next part, understood? Please tick number 4, tick over here. We cannot make this. We cannot make this pattern using this. Using this we cannot make this pattern. Okay, now next. Next, there is a pattern. How many boxes? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this side 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, okay, very good. Saptarshi Nihan, not third one. This is the 4th one. If this is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, this is the 5th one. Okay. Now next, here they are using color. Let's listen carefully. Here this is pink, yellow, pink, yellow. I will just write the name of the first letter of the color. I will just write the first letter of the color. No need to fill the color now. Later on you will fill. Just you take the colors and just give a tick which color you have to use in which boxes. Okay. Otherwise you can, using the pencil, you can write the first letter of the color. Okay. Here it is follow pink, yellow, pink, yellow. Please all of you follow me. Pink, yellow and pink. And the next is, this is divided into 2 parts, each box. Each box divided into 2 parts. And now here is using orange. O for orange. O for orange and G for green. Orange, green. Green, orange. Orange, green. Green, orange. Orange, green. Green, orange, orange, green. Okay. Please write down. O, G. This is done in your book. Pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink. And the next pattern, in the each box divided into 2 parts and 2 triangle in the one square. Okay. Here orange, green, green, orange, orange, green, green, orange, orange, green, green, orange, orange, green. Let's follow the same pattern. These 2 patterns follow the other boxes also. Pink, now pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink. And now first divide this box 1 there. Please divide this part. Okay. and now they are using orange, green, green, orange, and then orange, green. Write the first letter or using the color, you just give a tick. That means that color you have to filling. Okay, green, orange, orange, green, green, orange, orange, green. Okay, all of you please note down orange, green, and the green, orange, and orange. This is done. Others you have to color green, green, orange, orange, green, green, orange, orange, green. Okay, in this way. Yes, you will color this pattern in Dakshi, but not now, no need to now, it will take the more time. Okay, later on you will color. You just using the color, you just give a tick. Using the same color, you just give a tick. Otherwise, you write down the first letter of the color. Later on you will color. And now pink is given. Others you have to yellow, pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink. Okay. Please, very good. Who? Vriddhi. Divide it. Hey, what you have done? Pink and green. No green. After pink there is a yellow color. Okay. Let's. What happened, Kaushik? Cow, goat. What is this? Obviously, this is a pattern. Cow, goat, cow, goat, cow, goat. This is a pattern. Square, square, circle, square, square, circle. This is a pattern. If we make square, rectangle, circle, square, rectangle, circle, square, rectangle, this is a pattern. Up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow. This is a pattern. Standing arrow, sleeping arrow, standing arrow, sleeping arrow. These are the patterns. The different patterns. Okay. Now, next, turn over the next page. All of you, please turn over the next page. Leafy pattern. Leafy pattern. Page number 33. Page number 33. Okay. Using one leaf you can make different patterns. Using one leaf you can make different patterns. See these 5 leaves. Leafy pattern. This is the 5 leafy patterns. This is also 5. This is 6, 6 and 6. Now, this number 1 pattern, it is no need to do anything over here. Next part we will solve in our copy. Look, this is arranged. How the leaf is arranged? In this way. Okay, up, it is down. Here and now. Here and now. Okay, in the first one. In the next one, number 2, up and this in this way. Then and next this. These are the pattern. Okay. Now we will, please all of you take out your math notebook. Next part we will solve in our notebook. Now you also make some pattern with dash arrow in this up arrow in your notebook. Make some pattern. Please take out your notebook and follow me. Write the heading. Page number 33. Page 33. Please write the heading. Make some pattern. Make some patterns. Make some patterns with this is up arrow. We know this is up arrow. We know this is down arrow. This is called right arrow and this is called left arrow. Okay, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. We all know. Okay, using the up arrow we have to make some pattern. Okay, this arrow This arrows. Make some pattern with these arrows. Make some pattern, use this arrow. This is the heading. This, using this arrow we have to make some pattern. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Number 1, we can make this arrow up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, and leafy patterns, you will collect some leaves and make comb. Okay, using the leaves, 5 leaves and 6 leaves you will collect and make this pattern and show it to your parents. Take it and you will show it to your parents. Okay, and now please write this one. Number 1, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Yes, obviously, it is also a pattern. Next, number 2. In this way also, up, then standing, slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping. We can make this pattern also. Okay. And next, number 3. Next number, what happened? Ayush, lion, writing lion, owls, Shomagnide. What happened? Sujan, owls. What is this? Next, number 3. Next, number 3. This is the another pattern we can make. Okay, this way, this and this, this, opposite sides, their heads are the opposite sides. This is a pattern. Please note down, all of you, please note down. Potushna, what happened? Next, number 4. Next, number 4. This is a pattern. In this way, this is a pattern. Okay. Please make the different pattern using this arrow. Now, number 5. Next, number 5. This and this, we can make this and this. In this way also we can make this pattern, this and this. This way also we can make the pattern. Okay, please all of you note down. Done? Board work completed? Board work completed, beta? Okay, I hope you all have completed your board work. And the different pattern we can make and the different way we can arrange the arrow. If up, down, if you can make this and left, up, left, up, left. This is also another pattern. We can make it in this way also. Okay. Now we can make 2 up, 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. This way also we can make the pattern. Okay. Riyankshi, Vriddhi, Shaptarshi, why no beta? Up, 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. In this way also we can make the pattern. Okay, different way. Okay, do you have any problem? If you have any problem, you can ask me. Next class, any problem? No, very good Pratyushna, fine. Next class we will start from page number 34, and I am requesting you, please all of you follow both the classes, online and offline, both. Okay, thank you, bye, have a nice day. Next class we will start from page number 34.